we all felt it. Like what I said a while ago. We started the year strong. The songs that we have,
Mm-hmm.
we are very confident. Even if we get like um a trending song or a really popular song, we know that everything will start to go up
You know
from
that
here.
you've made great music, so
Yep.
that's what matters.
We improved so much. Mas malakas yung brotherhood namin ngayon.
Yeah. Saka
That
tama rin
one.
si Mickey kasi mararamdaman mo yan eh. And ang maganda dito, lahat kami pantay-pantay sa kaming lima and yung buong team parang naniniwala kami na okay, let's do this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make it this year. Tsaka wala, kapag you believe, it will happen. Parang manifestation naman yun.
Manifestation.
Billboard Philippines. Volumes.